Good morning, students. So, our next topic is creating slideshow. After creating a presentation, we will show our presentation with the help of slideshow. And the slideshow means all the slides will come one after other on full screen, and we will explain about all the slides in this manner. It is the name of running electronic presentation. When you give a slideshow on a computer, you can use special visual sounds and animation effects. Let's now learn how to add these effects to the slides in a presentation. Adding animation. Animation are the effects and the movements applied to individual objects on a slide that makes our presentation more effective and beautiful. To add animation effects to your presentation, follow these steps. Select the object on the slide to be animated. Click on Animation tab, Advanced Animation Group, Add Animation command, and from the drop down pane, select Desired Animation Effect. Now click Animation tab and Preview button to see the animation as per setting done by you. Next, viewing slideshow. The slideshow refers to an electronic presentation that can be seen on a computer screen or a projection device. A slideshow can be one of these types. First, self-running slideshow. In this slideshow, all the slides will come one after another automatically, and here no need of interaction. Second, interactive slideshow, in which the user has to click in order to advance to the next slide. To create self-running slideshow presentation without human intervention, you need to use a rehearse timing feature on slideshow tab. And that command to record timing for self-running slideshow is slideshow tab set up group rehearse timing command. By using a rehearse timing feature, we can record the time for each and every slide that will come on the screen. And it launches a full screen slideshow for rehearsing presentation and is the quickest way to set the slideshow timing. It is used to create self-running presentation. And once you are done with your presentation making, you can run your slideshow by following one of the following three ways. First, click slideshow tab, start slideshow group from beginning command. Second, click on start slideshow button on the status bar. Third, press F5 key on the keyboard so the slideshow will be on.